Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Weltrix expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this is a dedicated gold trading system running on the 1 hour time frame with multiple strategies. The developer highlights conservative risk and strong live results, but let's dig into what it really does and how it performs. In this video, we are going to be talking about everything about the Weltrix, including my own backtest, because I ran my own backtest on this expert advisor. So ensure you watch until the end to get the full picture. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, and you can download it for free by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out. Now, from the developer page, Weltrix uses 6 consolidated strategies, and they work in parallel on XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame. We have the volatility breakout, we have the break-off structure, the pullback after impulse, we have the Fibonacci zone V2, and we have the DVS technical scalper. We also have the new box V2 model, and all of these are in this expert advisor working parallel on gold. And these 6 consolidated strategies work together on gold, and it stays strictly conservative. Each strategy has isolated risk and magic numbers with a global cap on positions. There is no greed, there's no martingale according to what is stated here. And every trade gets a hard technical or Fibonacci based stop loss right from the entry, and exits include multi-tier trailing stops, break-even moves, and partial closes. The version 4.1 added volume profile. We also have the ADR filter and momentum confirmation. We also have dynamic ATR and dynamic ATR stops and better order management with broker safeguards. No more external API dependencies. All of these are in the updated Weltrix. It was just updated on the 28th of April 2026, so the developer does keep a close look on this expert advisor. It was published on 24th August 2025, and it goes for $499. The signal shows, they have a live signal, and it shows about 47% growth from a $1,000 deposit over 14 weeks. Started on March 2026, and we are in June. We have 47% growth ever since. It also has a 93% win rate. This is in Spanish. We also actually Brazilian, and we also have a 93% win rate here, and the profit factor is 1.52. The max drawdowns around 13 to 14%, and average hold is short at 2 hours, just 2 hours, and it's focused on gold and the volatility in gold. The backtest with fixed 0.01 lot shows profits of over $4,000 from a $500 US initial deposit, and also it has high recovery factor. We also have excellent metrics on real tick data. You can see this is the 95% win rate over total trades of 4,313. So it's quite impressive. It's impressive. You can see this from 2020 backtesting all the way to 2025, so 5 years, and it averages 4 trades every day on this backtest, which it shows. So this is how it trades, this is how it works using the 6 strategies that I mentioned earlier. And that's all from the developer. The marketed features include automated risk management, and with daily and monthly loss limits. We also have global drawdown caps. We have news and holiday filters, and advanced position handling like smart trailing and partial exits. We also have broker aware checks which prevents issues with margin or pending orders. The setup is straightforward. Just buy it, install it on the XAUUSD chart on the 1 hour time frame and just let it run. Confirm auto trading, and that's all. Basically. They also recommend low spread ECM brokers like IC Markets or Tickmill, minimum $500 and VPS. It adapts to different market regimes while keeping strict per trade protection. I had the opportunity to backtest this expert advisor on my own to see if what they say is true and if all their marketing is actually true and whether it works. And this is it. I backtested it on the 1 hour time frame on XAUUSD from June 2025 to June 2026, and the modeling is every tick based on real ticks. And looking at the curve, we can see this steady upward movement to the upside. We also the backtest ended in a net profit of $674, which is quite impressive from a $10,000 initial deposit. The win rate was just 66% compared to the 93% which we saw over the 5 years data which we saw. And the max drawdown is just 1% for the max equity drawdown, and for the max balance drawdown is just 0.87%, and that is very, very commendable. And looking at this, the total trades is 1,636 and it has a profit factor of 1.91. All of these numbers are quite impressive. Honestly, gold can be choppy, but even with the filters and the slippage or the spread spikes, all of these things hit hard on XAUUSD. So these numbers are quite impressive based on the market regime which we find ourselves in, So that is all from my backtest. My inputs, I use the default settings. I use the default settings for my inputs, and the main inputs that actually make sense are the main inputs that you should focus on are the prop firm setting inputs in case you are trading on prop, and also you can decide to adjust your lot size and the risk percentage on your account. So these are the numbers I used. You can also use the prop firm randomizer, the daily monthly limits, which limits the trades and the trades you take and the profit targets and all of that. And we also have the basic configuration. You can also select the strategy that you want. Yeah, we have all 6 strategies here, but you could just choose to activate all of them and let it work. And also we also have the position limits in case you want limits on trades you can take in a day. From the backtest, they said it takes 4 trades per day, so here the limit is on 3 positions per strategy and 6 total max positions. All of these are the inputs which make this expert advisor tick, and my verdict for this is that it's a solid multi-strategy gold expert advisor with real risk controls. My nuances will include that it's sensitive to broker execution and spreads. We can see this multiple orders being opened here. Yeah, so it's very, very sensitive to spreads. You wouldn't want to get chopped out of trade based on maybe slippages or spreads. Yeah, so there's also potential for drawdowns during regime shifts despite the caps, and there's also need for proper testing just like we've done. And implications will be that it's great for compounding on gold. Yes, it's actually great. And the position size and the broker quality, they matter hugely. Profits and drawdowns scale with risk. I'll say it's for experienced prop firm traders or gold focused traders who are comfortable with the 1 hour time frame volatility. Also for traders who are using tight spread brokers and VPS who monitor performance. I'll say you should avoid it if you want super simple plug and play, if you hate any drawdown, and if you trade on high spread brokers or are new without testing discipline. Yeah, that's it for the Weltrix expert advisor. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more real reviews like this one, and drop a comment with the next expert advisor you want tested. Check the free Forex robot in the link below too, and trade safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.